Yeah, let's do it. Come on.
Jewels. Anyways, we're just gonna do a quick video today. Just gonna do a review of all these chocolates and just kind of try and speed run it a little bit. Quick rating 1 through 10, how I like it. We got the ones that I'm really excited about. I guess maybe the variety box, because I don't know what's in here. But definitely the sake ones, because there's actually alcohol in here. This one is 0.5 in each one. You're not gonna get drunk off this. But yeah, 0.5 in this one. Apparently you're supposed to keep it between 5 degrees Celsius and -5 degrees Celsius. So I think that's what it says. I don't know, it's in Japanese, so I'm gonna have to use Google Lens on that later. And this one is I don't know what flavor. I want to say peach, but 0.2% in this. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. We're just gonna hurry up and try this and give a quick review. I can't open this. 1 second. Boom. This is the purple sweet potato milk chocolate cookies. Boom, boom, boom. Gonna give this a try. Apparently this is from Okinawa. All right. Some nice packaging. Looks like 2 wafers put together-ish. Godiva chocolate. I imagine it's gonna be good. Everything I had in Japan was excellent from what I experienced. So, cheers. Crispy. That's good. That's really good. I get like a coffee taste. I'm getting like a coffee taste from that. Not even chocolate. This is supposed to be purple sweet potato. This is fire. I'm gonna have to get more of these next time. But yeah, this I give it a 7.5 out of 10. This is good. This is good. What are we gonna try next? We're gonna try the Osaka one. I don't know what flavor this is. I like the packaging. You got the Osaka castle on each individual one, so that's kind of cool-ish. Boom, boom, boom. And it has like the gradient like it does on the packaging, which is really nice. You can see the gradient there, you know, nice and pink. All right, let's give it a try. Cheers. Coconut? Is that coconut? Tastes like coconut. It was good. I love coconut, so it's a 9 out of 10. Banana. Again, I got this from the 3 that I just opened. Got them all from Big Camera. This is this big vertical mall, basically. They got on each floor is like there's a whole bunch of different stuff. Oh, this one looks like super premium when you open it. Like they have the chocolates all nicely laid out and everything. Ooh, chocolate looks nice. Has a good smell. It smells like, you know those chocolates that have like legit like liquid alcohol in them? Let's go ahead and give it a try. There's an 8. It's an 8 out of 10. None of their chocolates are like super sweet too. Like one thing I noticed when I came back, I had like a milkshake. It was just super sweet. Like I couldn't even get through it. But Japan, like all their desserts, not too sweet. It's like the perfect amount of sweetness. All right, now we got the variety box, which I'm most excited about, because it should give me a sampler of basically everything. We're gonna try this one that looks like some kind of tea. I'm gonna give it a go. Oh, that's an interesting color. It smells like tea. Yeah, this is definitely tea. I don't know how this is gonna be, but we're gonna give it a try. Let's do it. Tastes like Earl Grey. This is like sweet tea. If you like tea, this is making my stomach. If you like tea, you're gonna like this. I like tea, but I don't wanna have tea right now. If I was drinking tea at the same time I'm having this would be a nice compliment, I feel like. If it was like black tea. It's like a 6 out of 10. Depending on the setting, it might be a 7 out of 10, but this is like a 6 out of 10. All right. We've all been waiting for matcha flavor Kit Kat. Green. No surprise there. Yeah, just go ahead and give it a try. See what it's hitting for. I didn't really try a lot of matcha when I was out in Japan. It's probably one thing that I regret, but next time. This tastes like tea too. Like, it's not bad. It's definitely more subtle, a more subtle tea flavor than that one. That one's like a strong Earl Grey. This is like a light tea flavor. Like a 6.5 out of 10. It's okay. Not great. Not bad. Ooh. I think this is like a key lime. Got a key lime flavor we're gonna try. Ooh. I think this is gonna be good. Okay, let's do it. Cheers. I love key lime pie. So it's a 9 out of 10 for me. If you don't like citrus, you might not like this because it's a strong citrus. But if you like key lime pie or like lemon pound cake, this is fire. This whole box. Golly. This apple? Their apples are really good in Japan. Yeah, I'd have some for breakfast every now and again. I was just so surprised at the different flavor profile on the apple. And I think this is apple flavored. Yeah, it's apple. Yeah, it's apple. I wonder if it's gonna taste like apple pie. I love apple pie too. All right, let's go ahead and give it a taste. Cheers. Hold on now. There's some residual notes. There's some residual notes there. Hold on. Let me give it a 8 out of 10 if you like apple. This is one that I've been wanting to try also. This is Milo flavored. If you're Jamaican, you know. I got a whole bunch though. I got a whole bunch that I got to give away because people don't ask me for it. So I picked it up and we're gonna give it a go. All right, cheers. Tastes like breakfast time. It tastes like I got some corned beef sandwich right here on the side. Oh gosh, the hard dough bread. You have the corned beef sandwich and you have an extra slice of hard dough bread that you can dip in the Milo tea and drink that. Y'all don't know about the Jamaican breakfast, man. Y'all don't know about them struggle breakfasts, man. You dip the hard dough bread in the Milo tea, you eat that. Oh, this is what this brings me back to. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 on the Milo. That one's good. I have no idea which one this is. I can't even tell. Maybe mango. I think it is mango. Mango or some kind of like tangerine or something. All right, let's give it a try. Cheers. This is orange. It tastes like, I feel like we have this in Canada already. It's like that orange chocolate thing that you bang on the table and it unloads. It's solid. It's like a 7 out of 10. Strawberry. Oh, how many more we got left? I don't think a lot. Strawberry, the sake, the OG sake, and then the peach sake. And then this is I think another Doton Osaka Castle, Dotonbori version, but it's different. This one's blue, so it might be a different flavor, so we'll try that. So we got 4 left. Did I already try this one actually? Oh yeah, I did. No, this one's the tea flavor. Okay, some of them have the pictures on it so you can see what it is, and some of them don't. This is actually a really fun box. You want to give everybody like a taste of Japan's like exotic chocolates, Kit Kats. This is a great thing to get. I got it from Amazon when I was down there. If you're staying someplace, or if you could like time it to wherever you're at in the last few days, just have it shipped there that day. Great gift box, I think. So I'm pretty like I'm gonna give a lot of these away. So let's get right back into it. We're just gonna start with the Osaka Castle, which I feel like is gonna be the same flavor, but it looks like it's different. So we'll see. This smells like hard candy. This smells like cotton candy. That's different. This is blueberry. This tastes like a blueberry creamsicle. That's good. 8 out of 10. That was really good. Whoa. This one is strawberry. Really nice color on it. Boom, boom. Smell like strawberry. All right, let's give it a taste. This tastes like the strawberry, the cream strawberry candies that we would have way back. I don't think they make them anymore. It tastes like strawberry cake. It was good. 8 out of 10. All right. Now we're getting down to the adult ones. Let me clear the palate with some water. Getting down to the adult flavors. I guess we kind of already had some adult flavors with the tea, the matcha, and the tea. The tea is a really adult flavor. If you have a grandmother, she probably gonna really like the tea flavor. I wasn't a big fan of the tea flavor. But yeah, they'd also probably really like these adult ones with the sake. 0.5%. I don't like. Can kids eat this? There's some alcohol in it, so I feel like they can't or shouldn't. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and give it a taste. Oh, not the color I was expecting. This one's white. It's like a white chocolate on this one. Oh, it smells like alcohol. This one smells like those candies I was talking about before that have like the little bit of like liqueur in it. All right. Oof. This smells like when you've been drinking a bit and you do a deep breath and you smell some of that. It's not the best smell, but all right, let's do it. I'm not excited about this one. I don't know why. I'm not a drinker. That's why. All right, give it a taste. This is the worst one. This is the worst one. This is fun because you're like, oh, maybe if you like alcohol, you might like this. But this doesn't complement. Like, there's another one that tasted like alcohol and it was like actually, or rather, it smelled like it. It was actually good. I can't remember which flavor it was. I had to rewind the tape, but they need to add like, I don't know, like something that complements sake with this. Oh, that's probably why they have the peach flavor, because they realized this ain't shit. I didn't even want to finish this. Yeah, this is like a 5 out of 10. It is a 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10 on that one. All right, let's. I'm not excited about this one. I imagine it's gonna taste very similar. It's white. Has a little bit of a better smell to it. That one smells like a hard liqueur. This one smells like wine. I guess that's where that peach flavor is coming in. So let's go ahead and give it a taste. Cheers. This one's good. This one's good. This only has 0.2% in it. I think that the content on that one's too high. It's messing up the flavor profile. This one has the right amount of flavoring to it. I don't really taste the peach, but it's solid. It's solid. I imagine the peach drink that they have on the side is probably really good too. I don't know. I'll put Google Lens to it, put it on the screen. Sake Nomi, apparently, is what it is. So it's probably a good one. This one is also Sake Nomi, but I think it's like the OG, like basic flavor in it. Not my cup of tea. This one's solid. So boom. There you have it. there's the list. Again, I don't know if you can get this here. If you can, pick it up. If you want to give people a taste of Japan. But if you can't get it here as in Canada or in North America, I'd say head out when you're going to, if you ever get a chance to go to Japan, definitely pick this up. This is worth it. What else is worth it? 100% worth it. I mean, this is in here. So you don't even, you know, two birds, one stone. What's not in here? The banana flavor is a must if you like bananas. This is also a must, I feel like. This was really good. This was a great kickoff. So, boom, that's it. Yeah, like, subscribe. Thank y'all for watching. Sayonara.
Dipset.